Hello guys, this is Tarun from Testing Gyan. Do you know what is an HTML frame? HTML frame basically divides your web application web page into various sections where each section can act as a separate HTML document. Now let us see how we can handle these HTML frames in our Selenium scripts.
So now as we understood that a frame is something which divides the web page into different sections and each section can act as a separate HTML document. Okay, so to handle the frames, whenever there are frames in our web page, there are three methods. Okay, in Selenium, the first is frame, using the frame index, where we provide the frame index. If we are having three frames, then we can give index like 0 1 2. Okay, then we can use the frame name or ID. Okay, and then the third one is like we can create the web element for the frame like driver.find element, and then in the find element I can give the locator of my frame. So this way I can provide the frame, a web element of frame. Okay, and like window handles, here we also use the switch to. Okay, that is switch to this frame, specifying the frame based on index, name or ID or the web element. Now let us see its implementation by taking an example. To understand this, I have created this method handle frame where I am first switching to the frame and then I am doing some action on the field in that particular web page. Now let me run this. So this is the positive flow where the text value will be entered in the text box after switching to the frame. Okay, so you can see I'm switching to the frame using the frame name. So you can see it has entered the value testing frames into this text box. Okay, now what will happen if I remove this switch to condition? Okay, so you will see in this case it will not be able to enter the text in that text box and it will throw the exception. So you can see it has not entered the value as of now and it has failed it. Okay, saying that no such element, unable to locate the element. So this is the usage of handling the frames in Selenium. Okay, sometimes we are having multiple frames and we have to switch to the default frame or the parent frame. So for that we are having some predefined methods like driver dot switch to dot parent frame. This is the one. Then there is also one more method which is switch to default content. Okay, so there are different type of methods available which we can use while handling the frames. So I hope you guys are able to understand this. In case of any questions or queries, please let us know over the video comments. We will try our best to answer those queries. Thank you.